Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron and welcome. Today's video is going to be a review sort of just of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I did get the small one and the big one, and actually this one came, I ordered them on Friday, like within like the first 10 minutes, and then this one came on Monday, so this one came really quickly, but then this one didn't come until yesterday. So it took a little while. First, my shipping said that it was gonna come on Wednesday, and then it didn't come till Thursday, and I went to bed early, so here we are doing it on Friday. So yeah, this is the box, this is the little one, and we're gonna go ahead and open them up and see, you know, all of the, you know, prices and all that stuff, and I'll probably like try to like link it down or like put like the prices or whatever up here just so that we know. First is the small one. I believe, I don't remember because I got both of them, and so I think that one was 70, so this one was 70 and 25 or 20. It was $90, and then with tax and all that stuff, I don't know. That's how much it was. If you hear any noise in the background, it's a fan because it's hot in here in San Diego. Hot-ish hair. That's why I'm wearing this little thing, and I got a little tan going on. So first we'll do this one. Let me just get some. Let me get some little lash scissors and open her up. They like put a lot of tape on this one. Let's see if I can just. Nope. You have to. And I was like so anxious. I wanted to open these up, and I was like, no, I'll just wait. I'll just wait. Try not to peek and open them. So here is the first one. This, I did use a little bit of the green, like in my inner corner, and the dark blue on my, what's it, under eye, lower lash line. Oh my god, there's like, they put a lot of tape in this. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, well, I just, how do you do this? Oh, you open it this way. Oops, I'm smart. So the first two that well, this one only comes with 3 things. So it came with a pop socket, which I loved his pop sockets. I have the red one on from the what is it, February mystery boxes. So here is that one. I'll probably be getting this one. I gotta get a matching phone case. So it's like that, the green and the blue, the navy, and then I did get Madusa, a liquid lipstick, which I don't have. So I'm gonna keep this one. Let me open it really quick, just so I can show y'all what it looks like. And I believe this one wasn't his last summer collection or the one before, so it's probably the year before, or no, this one was a holiday, I think. So this one is Madusa, which is, here, we'll just do like a little line here, which is like a dark navy color. So there's that one. So I will definitely be keeping this one. And then the next one is going to be Scandal, which I already have. Is it Scandal? Yeah, Scandal. So I already have Scandal, so I'll just put it here, which it's a really pretty color. So this one I can just give away or just keep it or whatever. And yeah, so there's that's 3. So 18, and then these, I've seen them, they're like $12, $15, $8, so it just depends on how much they are. Next one is the Big Mama. So it did have a little option, so I chose large because I'm a big girl. And let's open this one now. Oh my god. So here we go. Oh my god, this thing. Literally. Okay. Opened. So how do you open this? You open it like this. Ta-da! So there it has the orange. Oh, okay. There's paper everywhere now. Okay, so this one came with an orange pop socket. So here's the orange one. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get 2 new phone cases. Came with a lip scrub and the Velour Lip Scrub in Peach Popsicle. So that's a yummy flavor. I've never tried this one, so I'm just gonna, here, let me set this down right here. See if this doesn't make a whole mess. So open this one. Here it is. Let's smell. Ooh, it smells like peach, and it's like a peach color, so that's gonna be yummy in my tummy. So there's that. I'm just gonna start putting these over here. It came with a straw. I don't know if this one is like the same color as the one I already have. Like I have one right here. I love these straws. So here is the another little Jeffree Star straw. Love that. Next thing is gonna be Hypothermia. I think this is the one I already have. Where'd it go? I don't want to open it. I want to see, where's that one that I have? I think I already have this one. So yeah, Hypothermia, I already have it. So this is what it looks like. It's actually one of the ones that I'm sort of wearing. So it looks like that. Here, we'll do a little swatch. So this is just me going like this and then doing it right there. So it's like a little dual tone. So I'll just like add a little bit more of it right here, just so y'all can see. This one actually goes on better on with your finger. Oh, like, oh, that's a lot. You need to tone that down. So there is that one. I am sweating in here. This is not good. So this is another thing that I already have. So I'm gonna set my already haves over here so that I can do a giveaway or whatever. And then the next thing is going to be a Velour Lip Liquid Lip liner. And this one, is it that what it's called? I don't know, a lip liner. I think I already have this one too. What color is this? Androgyny? I have Scorpio. Oh, I do have androgyny. So, dang. So, androgyny. So here it is. So this is another extra. So this is just me sort of swatching it. So there it is swatched. So that's cool. I have another one of those. But hey, you know, lip liners, people always use those. So let me clean out this highlighter. Okay, so then the next one is going to be Diva, which I already have this too. So I guess it's nice to get, you know, stuff that you already have or whatever because you already know you like it. So this is going to be Diva. I'm like the worst at this. And Diva is a really pretty color. So, you know, whoever, you know, didn't get this stuff. Oh my god, I'm like the worst at this. So there is Diva, that one. The next one is going to be Poinsettia, which I think I have this one too. Is that what this is? Yeah, so here's another one, but this one is going to be in the different packaging, the regular original packaging. So here is the holiday collection one and that one packaging. So, oh, maybe I'll just keep this one because it has two different packagings, you know, as a collector. So here is Poinsettia, which I love this color. I actually got this one for Christmas. My fiance bought it for me for Christmas. So there is Poinsettia. It's like a really like beautiful metallic sort of red color. So I already have that one, which is nice. Next one is gonna be Mannequin, which I don't have this one. So this is gonna be, you know, one that I don't already have. So it's like a nude. So that's cute. So let's see. Oh, and this is one of the ones that smell like root beer. So there's Mannequin. Oh my god, I'm like the worst at this. Mannequin right below Poinsettia. So that's cute. Those are two that I'm going to definitely keep. The next one is going to be the question mark one, which I'm wearing, what is this? Strawberry Crush right now. This one is kind of one of those lips. If you watch my other video on the Jawbreaker collection, this one, it's like kind of not as was opaque. It's kind of clear when you put it on the first time. So that's the only bad thing about it, but it's a really pretty color, like neon vibes. And then, so this is going to be question mark, which it's a beautiful color. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one right below Mannequin. So there's that color right there. It's really pretty. So we're gonna keep that one too. And that's it. Last thing is going to be, oh man, a shirt. So this is a large. It's gonna be, I'm pretty sure the same as, you know, his normal shirts. I already have one of his shirts and I love it. So this is going to be the shirt. It has the, you know, bright green little Jeffree Star logo right there. And then it says, "Hi, how are ya?" on the back. So that's really, really exciting. That's gonna be both of the boxes, and yeah. I definitely recommend to like get a box. You get so much stuff And if you're, you're gonna use it, or you're not gonna use it, so it's really, really nice just to try out some stuff, especially if you don't already own a lot of stuff from Jeffree Star. So I got 7 things that I don't already have, and then I did get I got 4 things that I already had. So if you buy a lot of stuff from his company or his brand, then you know what you're gonna get into. But yeah, I definitely think it's a great deal, because if you just 10, 20, 30, 40 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, that's already basically almost half of the price of everything. So that's nice for me. I'm excited because I have tons of his liquid lipsticks and I love them. Just this one, it's not that good one, but I still like it. I like the color. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then of course the 2 pop sockets. Love them. And so yeah, if you guys like mystery boxes, bonus mystery unboxing. I got this one from Influencer or Influenster, and I guess I can open it here because I haven't opened it yet. Man, this one's hard to open. So this one is just from Influencer. So I got Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 Primer Water. So that's cute. I got Smiles Period Homeopathic Drawing Salve 18 GM. I don't know what that is. So whatever that is, there's that. I also got Water Drop Primer, from Wet n Wild again. So there's another thing. I got, this coupon is for free for 1 free country card. I got a butter coupon. Nice. You never can go out without coupons. And then I got a Main Magic 10-in-1 Shampoo Eve NYC. So a shampoo and a conditioner like sample. And then I got lashes from Kiss Lash Couture Naked Drama. So those are some cute little lashes I got. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 things, and they were all free, and what is it, complimentary, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's exciting. These are my little unboxing for this month. And yeah, this one's Influencer, so anyone can do it. I'll put I think you get a link if you do it. I'll put the link below, because if anyone wants to do it, you can always, sign up. You just do basically reviews on some stuff, and you can get free things, or you can, try it out, see if you like it. And if you don't have a huge following or anything like that, like I do, I don't. So it's nice to get some, free stuff without being on someone's PR list or anything like that. And yeah, so I'm starting to sweat really, really a lot. Where's my little fan? Starting to sweat a lot in here. So that's gonna be the end of the video. If you like this video, like these sort of things, I'm definitely gonna keep purchasing the Jeffree Star mystery boxes, just to see what else he gives out or whatever, and with the chances that I do get some stuff that I already do own, it's whatever. I'll start doing a giveaway, and there's 4 things that are already gonna go in it. So yeah, there's 4 things that are already gonna go in it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Just in case you guys were wondering, I'm wearing, oh my god, what palette? I'm wearing the Jawbreaker palette is the orange, and the shimmer, the orange shimmer, and then the blue, and then the green, and then the green sort of shimmer is from the Alien palette. So, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!